So I'm here in Cleveland, happens to be a joint that's serving Cleveland comfort food. I gotta check it out. This is the Rally Inn.
Some veggies for your chili quiles here, bud.
As soon as you come here, you're hooked into wanting to be a regular.
I got the shrimp and grits for you.
How did you find the Rally Inn?
It's just a little local hidden gem. Just started coming here, you know.
Well, I don't. That's what I was
No, you
asking.
don't.
I was hoping you'd tell me, you know.
You would really be surprised by just how good the food is here.
That's because when owner John Oberman bought this joint, the bar was set pretty low.
This was a very, very divey bar at the time. It was a punch palace, no windows, vinyl ripped up floors.
A punch palace? That is one of the funniest lines I've ever heard. But now they've got Chef Eric Lettieri punching things up in the kitchen.
Bacon wrap tots ready to go?
I always recommend the bacon wrap tots.
Soft potato on the inside, wrapped with this crispy bacon.
And the chipotle-ranch brings the whole thing together.
All right, what are we making first?
Mashed potatoes for the bacon wrap tots.
Boiled Yukon, skins on.
White pepper, salt, roasted garlic, brown butter.
Okay.
Heavy cream.
Mix it in with our shredded hash. A little more salt, black pepper. Now we're ready to form them.
Let's see it. That's not a tot, that's a baseball.
Yeah, you know, you
Yeah.
gotta give the people what they want, though.
And the wrap is?
Just one whole piece of bacon, man. Bam.
While those are frying, what's the sauce that goes with them?
Chipotle-ranch
How
sauce.
many items are on the menu here?
Which one? The breakfast menu, the dinner menu, the taco menu, do prime rib on Saturdays.
Does the owner make you do this, or is this just you going wacko?
Yes. So it's,
Best answer I've ever heard.
we start with our ranch dressing, chipotle peppers, the Worcestershire. I like to call it woo-woo, because not everybody knows how to say it or spell it.
So that's
properly.
your own way, is woo-woo? Plate it up.
Boom, just like so.
Dude, it looks like a top made after me. Incredibly creative. You get crispy, you get creamy, you get crunchy, unctuous bacon.
Thanks.
The chipotle sauce, which is so needed because it adds a little bit of heat, it adds another little dimension. The creaminess of the ranch, cooling it down a touch. Funky, fried, freaky.
Freaky Friday funky.
It's funky, freaky, fried. It is delicious and really done right. Right on, man.
Bacon wrap tots, pick up.
I love that they are crunchy on the outside, and as soon as I bite in, it's moist and steamy and yummy.
This is exceptional, exceptional food.
Aunt Polly, have you ever been to this place?
Not.
You don't go to Punch Palaces?
I do when you're in town.
You got a medium popper burger, add cheese sticks.
Cleveland loves its comfort food, but John, when he took it over, definitely took things up a notch.
I think more than a notch.
You just can't beat it.
What appears to be just a simple little funky bar, you go next level. Really
Thank
impressed. This guy's dangerous.